Good morning, everyone. So this morning we're going to be cooking breakfast, and we're going to be preparing a Chinese street food breakfast, and this is called Shou. So I'm going to take you to the cooking process of this very simple but delicious breakfast. So this is how a Shou looks like when it comes off the pack. You could easily buy this in any of the Chinese supermarkets like Renrenla or Huanwanja, also known as Vanguard. So the first thing that you need to do is to prepare a pan, a flat pan, eggs, cooking oil, and also you can also have bacon. I usually choose Smithfield, or you can also have your Shou together with Chinese sausage. It's your choice. So for me, this morning I would be preparing Shou with bacon. So to cook the Shou, all you need to do is to heat the pan and make sure that the pan is hot enough before you put the cooking oil, if you don't want your Shou to stick onto the pan. So as you can see, the Shou is enclosed in plastic, so all you need to do is to peel it off the plastic, prepare it, put it on a plate, and then when the pan is already hot enough, you can pour cooking oil. Now our pan is hot, so we put a tiny bit of oil. Make sure that the pan is covered, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop an egg. Cook the egg, and then after that one, get our Shou ready. Now place our Shou on top of the egg and let that one cook. And then after a few seconds, flip it over, and that's it. Now we already flipped the Shou. As you can see, the egg is already on top. So just give it a few seconds for the bean to cook. And after this one's cooked, we can start preparing our bacon. Now we're cooking our bacon. Normally when I cook my bacon, I don't put any sort of oil, because bacon itself has already oil and it's like fat, so I just want to render the fat there, and that's it. So here's our finished product for our egg and bacon Shou. Normally I would like to put mayonnaise on top, but for today I'm just gonna eat it like this. Alright everybody, so that's how to cook a very easy, quick and simple egg and bacon Shou.